To break up the Irish series, we've done a little couple of day getaway up in the northwest of England. We're up at Fleetwood at the moment, so we'll just show you that.
You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining bold.
Good morning. We're out in Harry first time after Christmas actually. We were going to go to France, but we've had to postpone because we haven't been well, but also got a few hospital appointments that come through. They've been waiting on for months, to be honest, and they've fallen right in when we were going to go away, so we've delayed going. We'll probably go, I'm guessing, around April time into France. So we've come up to Southport actually just to see Jane's mum. It's the first time we've been out because we've had blood and flu since New Year, so we just come out really just to get a bit of fresh air, and that. And fresh air is the right way because we got the Storm Eowyn, whatever it's called, is hitting at the moment. It's quite blustery, but we've been in worse in Ireland, to be honest, so we're stuck out in that. We're probably going to be in Fleetwood tonight, but the storm passes, I think, by about 9 o'clock, so we'll just hunker down for the day, really. It's always one of the advantages when you get a van is to use it for little short stints when you can, so it's just nice to get out because we haven't been out in him since we were, Yorkshire, Poland, something like that, late last year. So it's been a while because we had the kitchen done at home, so we had some projects at home and that, so it's it's nice to get out. There's sand here. Wow. Sandstorm. Gonna get me bloody van shot blast here. Let's get out of here. Just blowing off the beach, isn't it? Like we can't get in the prom.
Did you bring them here?
I think, yeah, I came up on, I seem to remember suddenly making a decision on one Saturday afternoon to go to Blackpool. It's like a 3-hour journey.
We only went a couple of times and we didn't live that far.
Well, it looks very tidy, not much litter, doesn't it? So we've just come up to Fleetwood. We came up through Preston, Lytham St Anne's, which I've not been through before. Quite nice there. And then through Blackpool. There's a lot of diversions at Blackpool because I think they're with the wind about. I think there's lots of things down. So they got a lot of cranes up and road blockages. That took us some time, but we've ended up in Fleetwood. There's a little, I guess, an Aire where the council allow you to stop, motorhomes to stop. It's £7.50 for 24 hours. I think it was £5, so I think it's gone up quite a bit. It's now £7.50, which is okay. It's right by the beach here, so it's a bit tucked down below the wind. There's sort of some earth banks round, which will just help deflect the wind. But the wind's going to drop in about another 4 or 5 hours, I think, according to the app. So we're just going to chill out and stay here for the next few hours and overnight. There's space for about I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's probably about 20 spaces, I guess, looking at it, because there's about spaces back there and there's a normal car park through the centre and that. But there's access. You get access code to toilets, haven't been up there, and also I think waste facilities to empty. So that's I've seen it on YouTube, various YouTube videos. So I think it's a nice little stop-off place if you're heading north and that, or up the M6 and that. I don't know if you can see the window's a bit dirty, but there's a all-terrain vehicle there. We've both had flu in New Year, as a lot of people have, I'm sure, but it's taken us ages to shake it, so it's the first time we've sort of felt as though we wanted to come out, really, and we're sort of lacking in energy a bit, so it's just nice to get out in the van, really, and just relax. Might take a walk on the beach tomorrow because I think the winds are supposed to drop, so hopefully it'll be quiet. I'm not quite sure where the loos are. That's where the toilets are there. There's a key code you get. Sluice and toilet area. That's the morning after the Storm Eowyn. It's pretty fresh but clear. We've decided just to stay another night and chill out. So we're just having a second day here. We've decided just to veg out in the van and take a little walk along the promenade here. It's nice and fresh. A lot of beachcombers clearing the litter up.